Hi guys, and welcome to this little blast of instant cleaner motivation. Put me on whatever device you have and let's get straight into it. I have some time before I go and pick up my toddler from nursery, so I'm using the opportunity to speed clean my entire living room. If you love cleaning, decluttering and organising, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week and I would love to have you clean along with me.
Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young, just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so while the floor's drying, I pop out to pick up my son and then I'm putting the room back together again.
So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young, just go a little crazy
like to watch another 5-minute speed clean, then I have an instant bathroom cleaner motivation video just for you. I'll have that linked in the description box for you to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support for my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Please do like this video if you've liked it, obviously, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
No matter where